What's the one thing you can't find here?
The neighbors.
This is a rare retreat where nature and intention meet, featuring a charming tiny cabin, a traditional Eastern European banya steam sauna, a dedicated spa sanctuary designed for restoration, and a tea house cottage set beside the gently flowing freshwater creek.
A fully functioning farm with open pastures, fertile ground, and space for gardens, animals, or expansion. A setting like this is rarely found.
And never forgotten.
I'm Dwain Ammons.
And I'm Jen Torres with Howard Hanna, Beverly Real Estate.
Call today for your private showing of this most unique property.